Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special video. Yes, I do have another Chanel unboxing. Yes, I've got a new bag and something a little extra on top of it. And I'm gonna also show you the dress that I will be wearing for the wedding. It's not my wedding, obviously. Yeah, let's get started. So by the time you see this video, I most likely will be in Poland, and you know, the main reason for this trip is the wedding of my godchild. That makes me, if I think about it, that makes me feel super old. But keep in mind, I was a teenager when he was born, and me and my brother, we were asked to be a godparent. So anyway, yes, he's getting married, and obviously my whole family is in Poland, so obviously I can visit them. My parents are deceased, but you know, I still have a brother, sister, and you know, the extended family. So anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you the dress and the two items that I got, and one of them is handbag. So I'm gonna start with the dress because I'm super excited. I was shopping for the dress for like the past 2 months, and it's funny enough, I was sending the dresses back. You know, I ordered so many from Nordstrom, from Bloomingdale's, there was some Neiman Marcus, and I hate it. The way it looks on me, I hate it. And then I noticed this dress on the Macy's website, and I was looking at it one day and I was like, oh my god, it is so beautiful. You know, it was like shown on the model, and they only have 2 sizes left, and both of them were too big on me. But I was thinking, you know what, I can have it always altered. So that's what I did. I went for it, you guys. This is such a beautiful dress, and I had it recently altered, so it fits me. I will obviously put a little cutaway so you guys can see how it looks on me. I just want to show you like up front the fabric, because I am truly like amazed by this brand. This is, by the way, this is Vince Camuto brand. So you know, and the funny thing was like $75 on sale. Dress is stunning, and guess what, it has the pockets. I was like sold. The only thing I'm like a little bit not super happy about is the fact that there's no sleeves. I would like to have maybe like a short sleeve or something. I'm always more comfortable because I'm, you know, since I lost so much weight, I'm always like self-conscious, you know, for those little fats that it's under your arm. You know, we women, we always have a problem with that part of our body. So I am not the most thrilled about the fact that there's nothing, but I had to buy like a little black kind of overall. It's Poland, it can get cold, so I would not be able to, you know, just, you know, once we dance and have a fun, it's gonna be fine. But I think like if you go to church and you know, it just might be a little bit cool at first. So I have a little black something, I'll show you again on the cutaway so you guys can see it. But the whole dress, I'm just dying. So yes, I had to get this, and I'm so glad that I did, and I'm so glad it was on sale. Let me show you the shoes that I'll be wearing to go with that dress. So these are the shoes that I will be wearing. Those are like a little satin kitten heel. I'm not the most happy about this, you know, heel. Could be a little bit taller, and I like more like a black heel kind of style shoes, but that's okay. I didn't want to wear black because, you know, it's mainly like a black, the fabric is like black and a gold, but I thought everything black would be a little bit too sad, so I thought these shoes will just go perfectly. These are from the brand, I don't know, I don't want to butcher it, so here's the brand. I got them a few years ago. I wore them only once before, so these are basically like almost new. I should probably get rid of this. So I wore them once outside, you know, before, and I thought these are gonna go perfect. So I have them for at least 2 years or so, and I have the same version in black as well. But I thought, you know, these kind of like champagne kind of satiny are gonna go so much better. And of course the little bling is just amazing. So yeah, what do you guys think? I think it's just gonna be amazing. I'll certainly post some photos on my Instagram, you know, from the wedding and all of this. So yeah, hopefully you guys can see it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please do so. All the information is always in the description box, so you can find me. My handle is at MStyle channel. So the bag that I'm about to show you is something that I have purchased either February or March. This was before I even decided that I'm gonna go for the wedding, and this was one of those things that I saw it and I knew I have to have it, even though I didn't have like any special occasion. I mean, you don't have to have a special occasion to have a Chanel bag, but I didn't really think about this bag to be matching to anything. I just loved the way I saw it. So the bag came in this beautiful box. Obviously it's the, you know, magnetic bags here. I have a dust bag here inside. The bag, I haven't used it yet, but I have been like kind of dragging it around the house, let's put it this way, and I just have to show you guys. The moment I saw the color, I knew I have to have it. So this is, oh my god, I hope my camera can show the justice of how beautiful it is. It is Chanel Mini. Yes, I finally bought the Mini, and like I said, I have it for a few months, you guys, and I just thought I would share it together with this dress because this bag goes so perfectly with the dress and with the shoes. Look at this. This is such a coincidence, literally. Like when I went to my friend because her mom was actually doing the alteration, and she looked at the bag and the shoes, she goes like, it's everything like it was planned. You know, but yeah, trust me, it wasn't. I just love the fact, I hope my camera can show it, this bag is like all iridescent. So it is kind of a champagne color with the champagne hardware. It's all caviar. But if I turn it slightly, I can almost see like a purple, little bit of the purple color going through. Like it's pretty interesting, you know. I hope my camera can show you the details. I don't know. Once I see the footage, I'll know if it's correct or not. Obviously, it has a long strap because, you know, it is Chanel Mini. So it goes crossbody on me. Could be a little bit longer, but it's not bad. It's not bad. Just for the wedding, I think I will have to do something like probably shorten a little bit because I don't want to wear a crossbody. You know, it's just not stylish, right? So I will have to do something to shorten. I don't know, I maybe use some elastic or something, I don't know, but I'll figure something out to shorten, you know, so I can just wear it as a shoulder bag. And yeah, it's typical Mini. I was told it is from 2021 collection. It was sold as a brand new, but you know, it was already like over a year old. But it's typical, you know, Mini. Has a one slip pocket in here, has a zipper pocket here in the back, which is very, very tiny. There is a little, what is it called? The, you know, that didn't come with the authenticity card anymore. It has the little chip or whatever they call it. So yeah, I just thought this is gonna be perfect to go with my dress, and this is like a perfect time to kind of show you guys that I have this bag for a while. Like I mentioned, I didn't use it yet, but yeah, this is my new beautiful Mini Chanel, and I hope, you know, for the spring and the summer, I hope I can actually use it quite a bit. It's yeah, it's a very light champagne iridescent kind of a color. It's absolutely stunning and I love it. So yesterday I went to my local, it was a kind of an eyeglass place, and I was basically wanted to look at some Chanel sunglasses. Almost every year I buy one pair of Chanel sunglasses. So I went to my local boutique that I know they carry Chanel, because we don't have here in Little Rock, we don't have any like a legit Chanel boutique. We do have cosmetics at the Dillard's, and that optician place is the only one that you can buy real Chanel sunglasses. And funny enough, they do give you a handbag, a legit handbag. They don't have really like ribbons or camellias, you know, but I'm glad they do have, you know, the whole packaging outfit. So yes, I got a pair of sunglasses. I just thought I'm gonna show you guys. So it comes in the bags, and this is, you know, one of those newest sunglasses case. This is actually the same. Is it the same? Let me see. My prescription glasses are, yeah, it is the same. Look, this is the case from my prescription glasses. This is from the sunglasses. So it's identical. Huh, how fun is that? So anyway, it feels to me like it's all kind of a lambskin leather. So yes, very, very nice. It of course came with some, is this like a little cleaning cloth? And there's some booklets. So let me show you guys. I don't know if these are like current sunglasses or newest collection, or I really don't know. I bought it because I like them. So here they are. So they are obviously a tortoiseshell. The brown glasses always goes very well on, you know, with my hair. Here is some beautiful details. So you obviously have the CC on the side. Here's on the other side as well. And here is the front. So sorry if you can see the glare of my ring light. And it does says Chanel here on the corner. You probably won't be able to tell, or maybe. And they are slightly, I would say, like maybe a little cat eye, because it just kind of goes up in there. But I really like that. I like the fact that they are, you know, the brownish tortoiseshell. I think they always look good and match my kind of a hairstyle. And you know, a lot of sunglasses I have, they have those little like a tips that you can kind of, you know, adjust on your nose. And sometimes they bother me because during the day, you know, when I'm kind of up and running, I like to move my glasses up on my head. And then when you take them off, they rip your hair, you know, because of those little, you know what I mean, those little tiny adjustable nose little sides. So just the fact that this one doesn't have it, I like it because I can just, you know, I can just move it up and down, and I think it's just gonna look good. And then you have the little, you know, little Chanel. So if you only look from the side, you'll be able to tell that you have a Chanel sunglasses, otherwise you won't. So yeah, I really like, I think it's gonna be awesome. So yeah, I'll be probably taking them with me to Poland. So I wonder if they're gonna fit in my Louis Vuitton sunglass case. I really like this case because it's kind of slim. If you see, like, to compare to this, I'm just afraid that this is might be too small, but let's just try. I'm just curious, so here it is. Maybe it will fit. Look at this. Oh, maybe not. No, it's too bulky. So this case is mostly for like smaller. Yeah, it's not gonna close, so that's too bad. So unfortunately the sunglasses are not gonna fit, but that's fine. I can you know, I can use this this case. It's a very beautiful case, and I love the little quilting details that I have. So yeah, good for me. Yeah, I love my new sunnies. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the video here. This is all I have for today. I know you guys always ask me about my outfit and things that I'm sharing with you. This is an old blouse from J. Crew. If they have something similar, I will link it down below. The the dress for the wedding, it's most likely is not gonna be available. I literally bought almost like the last one, so I don't think it's gonna be available, but it was purchased at the Macy's. Chanel minis, if I can find the exact one, I'll link it down below. If not, I can link some other ones. I'm sure the sunglasses will be available at the Chanel website. I can always try to link it down below. I can try to find them, but yeah, like I mentioned, I found them in my local boutique. So anyway, I guess this is it for today. So thank you so much for watching, you guys, and yes, please leave a comment down below. What do you think about this dress? And you know, I hope I'm gonna have fun over there. I hope everything goes well. And of course, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I always share with you all my purchases and all the fun stuff. And yeah, also don't forget to watch some of my latest videos. And yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys!